Okay then, number 7. The value of a rare painting is modelled by the equation V equals PQ to the T, where P and Q are constants, and T is the number of years after the value of the painting was first recorded on the 1st of January 1980. The line L illustrates the linear relationship between T and log 10 of V since the 1st of January 1980. The equation of line L is log 10 V equals 0.05 T at 4.8. Part A. Find to 4 sig figs the values of P and Q. Okay, so first up we need to turn the model into logs. So now we first take log base 10 of both sides. By the rules of logs, we can split the right hand side in two. Log 10p add log 10q to the power t, and then by the rules of logs, that's t log q. So now we compare that to the equation of L. We know the gradient was 0.05. So here our gradient is log 10q. So that tells us log 10q is 0.05. Now that then tells us q is 10 to the 0.05. Now that to 4 sig figs is 1.122. Okay, and then in the equation for L, the constant was 4.8. So here our constant is log 10p. So that tells us log 10p is equal to 4.8. That tells us p is 10 to the 4.8. Now that to 4 sig figs gives us 63,100. So we can now write the model as V is 63,100 times 1.122 to the power t. Okay then, for part B, with reference to the model, interpret the values of P and Q. So, P was 63,100. Now when T0 V is 63,100. Because 1.122 to the power 0 is just 1. Therefore, 63,100 is the value of the painting on the 1st of January 1980. Okay, and then for the value of Q, which was 1.122, so 1.122 tells us how much the value is growing per year. So it's the rate of increase per year. So again, that is just like compound interest. The part which is increasing the value is 0.122. So by the model, the value of the painting is increasing by 12.2% per year. Okay, then for part C, find the value of the painting as predicted by the model on the 1st of January 2010, giving your answer to the nearest £100,000. Okay, so we need to work out what T would be. So 2010 take 1980 is 30. So we're substituting T equals 30 into the model. So that is going to give us V is equal to 1,994,000 £413. But that's not to the nearest 100,000. So, to the nearest 100,000, that is going to round up to £2 million. Then guys, that is thankfully it for modelling with logarithms and exponentials. I think next I'm going to go on to some mechanics. Hope to see you there. Take it easy. Take care.